Attention to all beauty, bath and body brands and small business owners. Are you on the hunt for ways to take your brands to new heights? Look no further. I am Madhu from Aranyam Natural Cosmetic Private Limited, and I am here with a game-changing solution for you. Are you facing challenges in finding the perfect partner for customization, ethical and sustainable products, and cost management? If you're a sustainable beautypreneur striving for excellence, seeking tailored solution and collaborative partnerships, then you're in for something special. Introducing Aranyam Natural Cosmetic Private Limited, your key to elevated sustainability, credentials, and streamlined sourcing excellence. We are here to guide you towards success in sourcing natural beauty products for your business. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Secure your spot for a detailed discussion by booking a paid call with us right now. Let's make your beauty business dreams a reality.